Here I've got KXD V6 and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. Now locate build number and just hit it for 7 times. And as you can see, now we are a developer, so let me go back, and on the previous screen developer options appeared. Just click to open, and as you can see now developer options are active and you can perform all of these super advanced operations. You can use all these features, so for example you can debug GPU overdraw, you can force GPU rendering, then you can activate OTG connection, you can select USB configuration and do whatever you would like to do here. And then whenever you would like to switch off developer options so no one has access to them, just tap here to deactivate them, and as you can see they are no longer active, and that would be all. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily unlock developer options in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.